If you're searching for a way to transform your career, expand your business, or finally break into the world of commercial lending, you're not alone. At Oceanview Commercial Lending, we've seen people from all walks of life take that first step and completely change their trajectory. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from those who've experienced the Oceanview difference firsthand. Elya from Baltimore came to Oceanview with big dreams and a determination to succeed. Within just 5 weeks of joining our training program, his entire outlook shifted. He describes the experience as nothing short of amazing. The training was clear, hands-on, and supportive, guiding him every step of the way until he felt confident to move forward on his own. The results? Deals started rolling in faster than he could have imagined. His real estate investment association, with over 600 members, began submitting deals. He built a team around him, and for the first time, he saw a real path to financial freedom. For Elya, Oceanview wasn't just a training program, it was the launch pad for a brand new chapter. Then there's Robert from Massachusetts. As a seasoned residential mortgage broker, Robert was used to turning away commercial opportunities simply because he didn't have the right tools or support. That all changed when he connected with Oceanview. He realized almost immediately that he should have made the move years earlier. What stood out to him was the quality of the relationships, the power of the platform, and the sheer scale of opportunity available. With immediate access to over 6,000 lenders, easy deal screening, and a steady stream of leads, Robert found the missing piece he'd been searching for. Oceanview didn't just add a new revenue stream to his business, it opened up a world of possibilities. And let's not forget Charles from Maryland. Unlike Elya and Robert, Charles wasn't a broker and didn't come from a finance background. He was simply an entrepreneur with a vision to build something bigger for himself, but he had no idea where to start. From the very first module, everything began to click. The training took complex concepts and made them simple. The process gave him the confidence he needed to move forward. For Charles, Oceanview wasn't just about learning commercial lending, it was a turning point. It opened a door to a future he never thought he'd have access to. These are real people, with real stories and real results. Whether you're a residential broker looking to expand, an entrepreneur searching for your next big opportunity, or someone ready for a new path, Oceanview Commercial Lending gives you the tools, the technology, the mentorship, and the opportunity to build something extraordinary. If you're ready to take the next step, reach out to us today. Your story could be the next one we share. At Oceanview, we're here to help you unlock your potential and create a future you never thought possible.